In a quiet village nestled between lush green hills, there lived a vibrant and lively parrot named Polly. Polly was not your ordinary parrot. He loved adventure more than anything else. His feathers were an iridescent rainbow of colors, catching the sunlight beautifully as he flew through the skies. Polly lived in a cozy little cottage with an old friendly man named Mr. Jenkins. Mr. Jenkins had found Polly many years ago, stranded by a storm and in need of a home. Every morning, Mr. Jenkins would feed Polly his favorite seeds, and Polly would sing him a cheerful tune in return. One bright morning, as Polly gazed out the cottage window, he saw something unusual, a glint of light in the distant forest. Curious as ever, Polly decided it was time for an adventure. "You stay safe, Polly," Mr. Jenkins called out, sensing Polly's eagerness. The journey to the forest was thrilling. Polly flew over bubbling brooks, vast open meadows, and fields of wildflowers. As Polly reached the edge of the forest, the glinting light seemed more mysterious than ever. Upon entering the forest, Polly discovered that the light was coming from a cluster of shimmering stones beside a babbling brook. He landed nearby, enchanted by the dazzling spectacle. Just as Polly was about to inspect the stones closer, he heard a rustling noise nearby. To Polly's surprise, the noise came from a rabbit who had accidentally disturbed a pile of leaves. "I'm sorry if I scared you," said the rabbit with a chuckle. Polly, relieved, introduced himself and explained his fascination with the stones. The rabbit, whose name was Benny, explained that these stones were a rare treasure of the forest, known to change color in sunlight. As the sun began to set, Polly knew it was time to head home. Promising to visit Benny again, he took one last look at the shimmering stones before spreading his wings once more. Arriving back at the cottage, Polly felt content. Mr. Jenkins welcomed Polly with a smile. "Had a good adventure, my friend?" Polly chirped happily, for he had a story to tell about friendship, discovery, and the beauty of the world when one dared to explore.